everybody, my name is Giulia Papke and I'm a makeup artist and brand ambassador of KRIPA Venezia, and today I'm gonna show you how to perfectly clean up your face using just one single product. I'm talking about the fabulous K-Beauty Glow of KRIPA Venezia. When you unpack your K-Beauty Glow, this is the product that you will find inside. You just take off the pocket and inside you will find your glow. As you can see, one side is black and one side is white. Let's see how to use them. Such a crazy. The black side is made of a selected microfiber tissue studied for perfectly remove your makeup. You just have to soak the glove in water and mass it all over your face, eyes, lips and neck, since the skin will be perfectly clean. The white side is important as the black one, since it is a soft exfoliator with an antibacterial action. It is made of a tissue woven with covered silver fibers. But why we decided to use silver? Because it has a unique antibacterial, antimicrobial and antifungal properties. But how to use it according to the skin type? If you have a skin type from dry to combinational, you should use the white side of the glove twice a month. Instead, if you have a skin type from combinational to grease, you should use it once a week. Every woman wears some makeup every single day. That can be also just one or two products, a mascara, a touch of foundation or a lipstick. Why K-Beauty Glow can be an easy solution? Because it can remove any kind of makeup, even on those kind of skins that are very allergic or sensitive. The pocket that contains the glove is made of a very technical material that allows the air to come inside and dry up the glove, but doesn't allow the water to come out and wet all your stuff inside your beauty. Such a crazy mixed up world. Such a crazy mixed up world. As you can see now, my skin is perfectly clean and I feel it so soft with my hands. Always remember that you can combine the use of K-Beauty Glow with our One Radiance Cleansing Milk. Doing that, you will start a real treatment for your skin in an epigenetic way. Such a crazy